Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what your interface actually provides: 2 dedicated headphone jacks or a single stereo/headphone output plus line outs. Once done, connect the correct cables, 1/4 TRS or 3. 5mm adapters, and power any inline headphone amp if used. Set the interface monitor and headphone level to unity or 0 gain, and reduce volume to about 10 to 20%. This prevents sudden loud surges when you plug headphones in and prepares the signal path for routing. You now handle the routing in your DAW or interface control panel. Assign the stereo master or Q mix to both headphone outputs by mapping output 1/2 to each physical headphone output. If your interface has a dedicated Q bus, send the mix there and set independent headphone levels. If there's only one physical jack, make the mix go to outputs 1/2 and use a proper stereo splitter or a small headphone amplifier to feed 2 cans. This preserves level and impedance. Finish by plugging both headphones in and slowly raising the volume while you listen for balance and noise. Make sure each headphone receives the full stereo signal. If one side is weak, swap cables and adapters to isolate a faulty connector. If you hear distortion or low volume, the issue is likely impedance mismatch. Use a dedicated headphone amplifier or an interface's separate outputs for reliable levels. If problems persist, restart the interface and recheck routing. That often clears hidden software routing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.